Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials and opening the file you will write into. Choose an app that supports in-place editing and signatures, then grant storage and camera permissions so the app can save and import images. Once done, open an existing PDF or create a blank PDF from the app's New File option. Make sure to name the file clearly and pick the page size. This gets you straight into editing without wasting time on optional settings. Now you write and edit the PDF content. Tap the text tool and set font, size, and color before you type so layout stays consistent. This prevents rework. For handwritten notes, switch to the pen tool and adjust stroke thickness and opacity. If you need images or form fields, use the Insert option, place and resize them, and make sure fields are aligned. Once edits are placed, review pages in Thumbnail View and reorder or crop pages. Finish by saving and exporting your PDF correctly. Save a local copy, then sync to cloud storage to keep a backup. Choose PDF/A for long-term archiving if available. When sharing, use the export or share option and compress the file only if recipients need smaller size, while verifying fonts and annotations are embedded so nothing breaks. If something goes wrong, restart the app, confirm storage and permission settings, or export the file and open it in a different editor to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.